I waited for a while, but it was quite obvious that I would get no satellites, so I decided to take off
Takeoff.
anyway. Carefully,
Home
it's a
point
lot of
updated.
obstructions on all sides. Coming up, and because of the lack
Max
of
altitude
satellites, the
reached.
max altitude is 30 meters. I did a short round down, but double up again, and decided to wait to see if I could gather enough satellites. I did, so I was able to go even higher. Going down again meant losing satellites, flying very carefully because I really don't know how the drone will behave without satellites, especially with so many obstructions around. Due to the situation, I decided to rather look at the drone than on the screen, so it might have been smoother if I'd looked on the screen instead, but still, I reckon this as quite successful.